Hey, I'm Chris Donnelly, a builder by trade. Today I'm going to show you how to fix up an old gate. Before I get started fixing it up, I'm going to head down to Resene and get some advice. I'm looking to restain my gate. It's got a lot of moss on it at the moment, quite dirty, and I don't think it's been previously stained. I'm just wondering which stain should I use?
Cool, okay, so there's a couple of things that you're going to have to do before you stain it. One is to remove that moss, obviously. You're going to have to wash it down with our Resene Moss and Mould killer, and then a secondary clean with our Resene Timber and Deck Wash, just to help open up the pores of the wood to take the stain that's going to be put on. And being a gate, I prefer to use the oil-based stain, which is our solvent-borne Woodsman, and you've got a range of colours that you can pick from that we have here.
That's the hard part though, eh? Picking the colour.
It is.
This would be like modern, but I'm probably going to just go for a more timber look.
That'll look great, yeah.
First step is to take the gate off its hinges and apply Resene Moss and Mould and leave it to work overnight. Then give it a good scrub and rinse it off. Wash with the Resene Timber and Deck Wash and repair any bits of broken timber that need fixing. Once dry, apply the stain in the colour that you've picked out. You'll need 2 coats, and make sure you allow the right amount of dry time between each coat. Then it's time to rehang the gate, make sure it works, and then step back and admire your handiwork.